So today is Friday. The plan is at some stage we're going to head to Universal, because I think I might have explained in yesterday's, well, the other vlog, the last episode, we were told up until midnight last night that Universal is going to be open today, but only for park guests. We've had a look, and other people this morning, when we've looked on social media, people have said that it isn't open. It isn't going to be open today. I've had a couple of people say that, they've been told that. Majority of people have been told when they've gone downstairs to reception that they're hoping to have it open 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock time. Sarah's had a look online, and apparently there was people, what time did they start queuing this morning?
It was early on, about 8:30. They were stood queuing near the bus stops to wait to get onto the escalators.
So that's the escalators, the main entrance, we're queuing from then. So people are eager, which don't blame them. But we're going to nip down for a coffee, maybe go on to iDrive, suss out the situation. We're going to ask ourselves at reception what's happening. But if the park's not open until this afternoon, we'll just have a wander down iDrive, I think. But it's Friday, we fly home on Sunday. We're really hoping that we get at least a park day in. I'm hoping we can get up early on Saturday morning and do Volcano Bay. I'm hoping the weather's going to be good, because that's one thing, one really major disappointment I'll have personally is I really want to do Volcano Bay and Sarah really wants to do Volcano Bay. So that'd be one disappointment if we don't do it. That said, I think we're going to be booking next year. And I think we'll probably do the same, unless things change at Disney. It's going to be another Universal stay, but right, let's start today. Yeah, all the pool's cleared. They don't mess about, given that all the chairs are out. And things look like they're turning into normal. You can just see the side of the building there, where Hurricane Ian took the side off. How scary for people in those rooms.
It looks a bit flooded on the entrance.
It does a bit, doesn't it? There we go. So we've just asked somebody on reception, and up to now it's closed. Universal's going to obviously let the hotel staff know when it's open, but up to now it's closed. Whether it's going to open or not, no one seems to know, which is understandable, because it has. The couple we're talking to in the bar yesterday, is one of them's the actual electrician who works at Universal, and he was working through the night, and Universal are keeping it quiet how much damage is actually being done. He showed us some videos, and it literally is horrendous. A lot of stuff is underwater. Even a couple of the Horror Nights houses are flooded, so it is worse than people know. Obviously we've had like a bit of an inside scoop, but there was working throughout the night apparently, and even yesterday daytime, as soon as it died down a little bit. So hopefully they'll get the majority of it going. If it comes to it and we just do the park on a Saturday, then at least we've got air parking before we go. Just a case of waiting and seeing. But we're on International Drive now, and just going to go and get something to eat. Well, Sarah is. I had meat feast pizza at 8 o'clock this morning, so I'm alright. Obviously I'm feeling a lot better. So just, I think Sarah's going to maybe have some pancakes and a coffee, but we shall see. 3 t-shirts for $9.99, so I think we're going to have a quick look at this. There's no cameras allowed, unfortunately, by the looks of it, so we're having trouble finding somewhere to eat because there's queues out of doors again. So to be honest, I don't think this is even open. It is open, looks derelict anyway. But we've got the go-kart, the karting area here, look. Yeah, this is all derelict anyway, look. This hasn't been open for ages. But got a tree down.
How old will that have been?
You see, and that's the thing. We looked out the window yesterday, and there was people walking around in the streets, and this was like lunchtime. And granted, it was in between the showers, the wet showers. There was people walking around against advice, and it's not getting struck by lightning. It's not getting blown off your feet. It's the debris. Yeah, she's been following us all the way up International Drive, and we think it's running out of power. We've offered to push, but yeah, it's more of a case going out in these storms, and it's alright going out in these storms. It's trees like that could knock you on the head. History repeating itself. Titanic has suffered water damage. I don't think I'm going to find anything to eat, Sarah. I'm surprised how many buildings are actually empty down here. Once Universal, you what? Yeah, Chuck E. Cheese. It might be the only place we can go for breakfast. No, I'm surprised how many places are empty, but when Universal opened the other world, then this place I can honestly see getting regenerated. They must do, because they're going to get a lot more tourists this end. Now they've done, obviously now we've got, we've just jaywalked, so we've got to be really careful. Now they've sort of got endless summer belt. It's enticing people more, this area. So, but we've actually heard, a few people have said it, that once they do the new land, Universal, there's a rumour has it that Dockside and Safeside is going to get renamed and rethemed. I don't know how true that is, but that's a rumour, and to be themed to correspond with the new land, which is literally just around the corner from Universal and Dockside. I think the only issue with that is if they re-theme it, is it still going to be a value resort? We'll have to see.
Can we go in Sugar Planet and see if it smells like goofy sweet shop, please?
She wants to go in Sugar Planet. So, you see, with diabetes, my head will explode. No, let's go in Sugar Planet. No, you need to get a pair of them.
Yeah.
They'd be handy in winter, actually. Yeah, just go into Aldi.
What is some new sunglasses?
Oh yeah, they'd do.
Oh, fancy dress stuff, aren't they?
Yeah, there's nothing really sexy, is there? Seen more erotic stuff of them shops at Scarborough Beach. And then we've got Hulk Hogan's Beach Shop.
I'll see if we can get across there, look.
Oh, there's a little bit of American road rage. Move your ass, you whore. Jeez. Move your vehicle or I'm gonna pop a cap in your ass.
She just sat there
Totally oblivious, bless her. Yeah, Hulk Hogan. Not really, I don't really know much about his work, do you? I know he's done a bit of acting and wrestling, but that's about it.
Is he still alive?
Well, he's still alive, yeah. We've practically walked to Archon Park. In fact, I think we're going to head for Archon Park because everywhere that is open, there's actually people waiting outside, sitting around for seats that, was that IHOP we've just been to?
Just about all of them.
All of them.
Yeah.
Oh, Harley Davidson. Oh. See, we're not doing illegal things. We're waiting until that thing starts flashing this time. Harley Davidson, how much money you got on you?
I've got my credit card, but I'm not spending any more money on Harley Davidson. I spent $300 the other day.
See, that's the thing. It feels really normal again now. But we're looking on the news and it's really heartbreaking. People getting rescued. There's hundreds of people died, and it's been devastating. They're saying it could even be years before things get back to normal. So this is all great, but
They did say there was only one confirmed death.
no, there's hundreds.
But there's like a lot missing.
Yeah.
You know, they have been actually confirmed. Yeah, there's a lot. And it's like people have lost pets and stuff, haven't they? But it's like when you see the houses, they're like water up to the roofs and stuff. They've only just recovered from the last one.
It is. It's again. It's like we just want to enjoy our holiday and carry on. But and again, it seems real normal. You have got to think of these poor people. It was we were safe and you were safe in the room, but it was scary looking out. But
Ice cream.
oh, ice cream. Here we have Sarah jaywalking. Oh,
I didn't see anything.
no stone. What's its face ice cream for you? Well, the Icon wheel survived, didn't tip up. So yeah, we've walked from Endless Summer and now at Archon Park, obviously. So we're hoping where we went for a burger on Tuesday before the meet-up, we're hoping that's... Oh, they're just testing the ride now. Yeah, we're hoping that's open, so we can have, because the milkshakes there were really nice. Can't remember the name of the place, so maybe look back at the other vlog, the meet-up vlog. But hopefully we are going to get something to eat and drink now. Yeah, it was Shake Shack. We had the burger. Is it open? No, closed. So they brought all the stalls out and looks like they're starting to set up. So I think Icon Park looks pretty unscathed from Hurricane Ian. I think we'll have to sit around till 11. Here's a question for you. Just looked at Sugar Shack and then we've got the list of things that can make it out. Got burgers, frozen custard, fries, shakes, hot dogs. What is that? Is it concretes? Am I saying that wrong? What is a concrete? Concretes. So if you know what a concrete is, can you let us know in comments? Whatever it is, it sounds a bit hard. Sorry, mate. I'm buying that t-shirt. I know it'll really annoy you. I'm buying that t-shirt. So Shake Shack's open, so hopefully there won't be a queue. And I think we need something to eat, breakfast.
Oh my God!
Everywhere we go, we seem to bump into Kerry and Stuart. These are the people we obviously, as you know, met on the meetup. We've just been into a smoke shop to get Samuel a cigar, but it wasn't that kind of smoke shop. I didn't realise that dope was legal here, because I've just gone through there and he's offering us free samples of edibles and trying to flog us dope. So yeah, it was yeah, they didn't sell cigars.
I got on there. Oh my God, bro! I felt like
But it's funny because we've never noticed it before when we've been, so I don't know if it's just been made legal. Last time was 2017, but all we've smelt is like walking into clouds of dope. So clearly why. The bloke at the shop explained they can sell marijuana, it's legal, but only the stuff that gets you high. They're not allowed to sell the stuff that gets you paranoid. So there's Andy for you. So I've just been told Volcano Bay, the City Walk is open, so I think we're going to go give Volcano Bay a try, which hopefully
7th floor
is correct. We spent the afternoon in Volcano Bay. I didn't take the camera, we didn't even take a phone because we fly home on Sunday, today's Friday, and we just want to have some time without recording interactions with anybody at home with a phone. So sorry, it's probably been a bit of a quiet vlog day, but we just want to it's our holiday, so we just want to spend it having fun. Really fun day. I'll talk about that later on. Volcano Bay is amazing, but we're just doing on to City Walk now to see what we can go and have something to eat. So, but yeah, Volcano Bay, the roller coaster, water coaster.
that was Krakatoa. Krakatoa.
Oh, it's great, absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, that was fun.
We didn't do everything. There wasn't enough time because we didn't go till about.
I think there's about four different rides we did.
Yeah, because some of them were closed still because of the volcano hurricane. But we're going to rebook for Florida next year, and we're going to spend a full day there, at least one. I'd have been disappointed if we hadn't done it. But now we're heading for City Walk. So we haven't really decided where we're going to eat yet. I think it's going to be a case of, because City Walk's been open, Universal's been closed, Volcano Bay has been open purely for hotel guests. I've got a feeling City Walk's going to be heaving tonight because parks are closed. Apart from Horror Nights is open for hotel guests only. But let's see. We've managed to get a table for half an hour at Tootsome's, which is a bit of a surprise. The Horror Nights is open for hotel guests only, but limited houses, because obviously the flood was quite bad, and we were told last night by that electrician that I like that. By that electrician who works there, that at least 2 of the houses have been severely flooded. So, you know, it's good that people can go, but it's limited. But Tootsome's. Yeah, that with a dagger.
I know, that's cool, doesn't it? Even these ones, like, little dagger on there.
Oh, yeah, for Halloween, the mummy.
Yeah. Don't know what they're...
I think they do a chocolate ale. I'm sure when we came here...
They do chocolate bread.
Yeah, oh yeah, oh, the chocolate bread with the, oh, what was that, butter?
It was almond butter, isn't it? So I might have to have that.
All the colours of them sweets. $20 for 6 macarons. Right, all this stuff here. When I had obviously some of you'll know, I had an alternative business, and I used to sell all of these at a fraction of the price. Yeah, like that I used to sell, I think that was about £50 when I sold that. They are good quality though. Do you remember I was just saying I used to sell all this stuff, and I remember I stopped selling these because there was an absolute arse to post, really delicate. And that's the thing, if you're buying something like this to take home with you, it's packing. But all this stuff you can get in the UK, so I don't think this is just products just selectively just for the Tootsomes, because it's not. It's really good the way they've got the chocolate factory. We're actually upstairs. We were downstairs last time we came here, weren't we, Sarah?
Just check your cup on there. It's not very sweet.
She's a clean freak.
Clean now.
just been looking around at the theming and just spotted a, maybe a bit dark, but there's a monkey. Oh, is it a cat? I think it's a cat.
There's an owl here.
Oh yeah, just an owl as well, just up there. It's been getting slagged off, this place, review-wise, for the service, but she's been pretty quick. Ah, brilliant.
Got you.
Oh, thank you.
And to give you guys a head start, I did drop off a dessert menu. you to do pretty pictures.
You've got to always make room for that,
Absolutely.
Try to.
I'll give you guys a few moments. If you have any questions, please let me know.
All right,
Fantastic. Thank you.
No drinks on there, is there? Do you have a...
Oh yeah, I can get a drink menu.
Oh yes, please, yeah.
Please, thank you.
I've decided I'm going to have the Philly cheesesteak rolls as appetizers. Cheesesteaks with peppers, onions in a crisp wrap. Cherry pepper ole. And then I'm going to have the... don't have to make it out, the... what is it? Croquette Monsieur? I think you're still deciding that, you Sarah.
I think I'm going to go with the pasta.
Yeah, what appetizer?
That chocolate bread.
Yeah, we did get that last time, and it is delicious. But I've been wanting a Philly cheesesteak since we've come here, and I haven't found anywhere. And then I've got the chocolate. That's a double stout on draft. So that's the chocolate bread with the butter, and then these are the Philly cheesesteaks. The lighting's probably really bad with the dip. They really are nice. I didn't enjoy that, unfortunately. It's like quite a cheap smoked ham, and then you've got your bread and your cheese, but the bread underneath is so dripping in like oil. So unfortunately, what I've just had, I won't recommend. But the starter was nice, the appetizer, and Sarah enjoyed the bread. Definitely the worst meal for me of the holiday. She comped it, but it was smoked ham, and it was like real funny texture to it, and it just didn't taste great. And then the cheese had melted. It was a sandwich, and the bottom bit of bread was just like oily grease, and it just meant...
price though, you'd expect it to be like proper cooked ham.
Yeah.
And it was processed, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
that's basically it. Was processed ham. But I mean, the ham let it down, but the fact that that bottom slice of basically sliced bread was just like a oily greasy sponge. I won't even say when I went to the toilet what I had to bloody witness, but I don't think we'll be going back there again, unfortunately. But that's not bad. Out of 2 weeks, that's the worst meal we've had. Everywhere else has been alright. I think we're heading back now. Come on then, because our intention is
Sleep for the early.
yeah, up early in the morning, hopefully, and then we're going to go and enjoy Universal, because I reckon it's going to be quite busy. So our last day tomorrow, I probably aren't going to take the camera, this camera, again like we did today. I think me and Sarah just want to go light. I don't want to start thinking of vlogging or anything like that, because it is a holiday. We're not doing it as a YouTube thing, and just enjoy the holiday, which we did going light at Volcano Bay today. So I will be taking my phone, so I'll probably shoot a bit of stuff on that, but we just want to go light and enjoy the day, with it being our last day. So I think what I'll do, I'll wrap this vlog up for today. But again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned. If I don't put anything on, if this is the last day, the next thing will be travel day. So stay tuned for that. Thank you and goodbye for now.